A Climate of the Unthinkable on a Burning Earth by Andrew Glikson. Having turned a deaf ear to the basic laws of nature, ignoring the essential lessons from climate science, the powers that be have no idea, nor do they appear to care about, the rate and scale of the calamity life on Earth is facing. Global civilization having effectively replaced the United Nations with the United States and other superpowers, having built a veritable nuclear doomsday machine, enhancing the military-industrial complex and atmosphere-poisoning fossil fuel corporations, preoccupied with arming proxy states, allowing regional bloodbaths to enhance the arms trade, the powers that be are allowing the demise of human civilization as well a myriad of intelligent and beautiful animal and bird species. Nowadays major untruths are propagated by a media subservient to the powers that be. With the CO2 level reaching 418.51 ppm at a rate of 2.5 ppm/year and methane CH4 level reaching 1917.1 ppb at a rate of near 12 ppb per year, greenhouse gas rises are exceeding any in recent geological history, representing the most severe atmospheric crisis since the asteroid impact which killed the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Oblivious to the physical laws on which climate science is based and to the time factor of the impending climate crisis, setting artificial targets such as 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2030 or 2 degrees Celsius by 2050, the powers that be may not be aware of what life on planet Earth is facing. As if proposed limits on domestic pollution are meaningful to the arrest of global warming despite continuing mining, export and combustion of fossil fuels, greenhouse gases disperse through the atmosphere regardless of where the fossil fuel is burnt. As conveys by McNeil, the government denies responsibility for emissions created by the vast amounts of coal and gas Australia exports overseas as one of the world's largest fossil fuel producers, and has flatly ruled out any discussion on banning new fossil fuel projects. While ongoing combustion of fossil fuels is raising greenhouse gas concentration at a rate unprecedented in the geological record, current global heating being a self-amplifying process, the utilization of clean energy, solar, wind, hydropower and thermal power cannot by itself stem global warming, now rising above 420 ppm CO2, well above the 180 to 280 ppm range of the preceding glacial interglacial cycles. Such a high CO2 level, compared to that which existed in the Miocene before 5.3 million years ago when mean global temperature was about 4 degrees C, has risen within the last century at a rate to which fauna and flora can hardly adjust. Cover-up, censorship and suppression of environmental and climate science in governments, industry and universities occur in countries professing freedom of information policies. One of the latest revelations is the story of Dana Bergstrom. Nowadays, as bombs keep falling, children are dying, heads of governments jet around the world genuflecting to each other, signing arms deals, uttering honey words, while the corporate media discusses their official dinner menus, they reach no solutions for the worsening humanitarian crises, nor for the future of life on Earth.